The shakuhachi is a very particular instrument. Internally allows you to really connect with something that is of a higher consciousness. Right away, you feel that it takes you to a very particular place. For me, is that peaceful panorama where you can create, where you can be yourself. And the shakuhachi, through the breath, it generates in you a higher state no matter where you are. So
this is interesting because from you, who knows the South American woodwind instruments, right, and has played also the Bansuri from India, you know, you have a panorama, if you will, right, of different instruments.
Yes.
And yet you feel that it's the shakuhachi has a particular quality,
yes,
that is differently transformative.
Well, I've been a musical explorer all my life. Yeah. My intention with music...
That's a modest way of saying an excellent musician.
My intention is to find the connection between all the cultures, what it makes it universal, really. And each of us have a different geographical upbringing, but the essence of music is the same. It comes from the same place. That's why internationally we play with musicians from all over, and still we have a very close relationship, because music is a universal energy, it's a universal matter of sound.